BP and Tesla join forces. Tesla's recent $100 million deal with the British Petroleum, BP, marks a significant milestone in the expansion of electric vehicle, EV, charging infrastructure. In a groundbreaking move, Tesla has sold Supercharger hardware units to BP, empowering them to enhance their EV charging offerings. These state-of-the-art Tesla Superchargers will soon grace various locations within the BP Pulse network, including BP Emeco and Thornton's branded sites, Travel Centers of America locations, and BP Pulse's large-scale GigaHub charging sites, strategically positioned near airports and major metropolitan areas across the United States. This collaboration is historic as it signifies the first instance of such hardware being acquired for an independent EV charging network. The rollout of these Tesla Superchargers is scheduled to begin in 2024, with the initial sites being established in key cities such as Houston, Phoenix, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Washington, D.C. The primary objective is to combine Tesla's renowned fast and reliable chargers with BP Pulse's intelligent charge management software known as Omega to create a comprehensive solution tailored for fleet customers. These fast chargers with an impressive 250 kW output are believed to be the new V4 superchargers that are progressively making their way across the United States. These chargers will bear the BP Pulse branding, and the company will take charge of their installation and operation. Notably, they will feature the innovative Magic Dock, designed to accommodate both NX and CCS connectors, making it accessible for a wide range of electric vehicle manufacturers to utilize the BP Pulse charging network. Richard Bartlett, the global CEO of BP Pulse, expressed his excitement about this collaboration, emphasizing that strengthening the BP Pulse network with Tesla's industry-leading hardware is a major step forward in our ambitions for high-speed, open-access charging infrastructure in the U.S. Combined with our vast network of convenience and mobility sites, this partnership with Tesla promises to bring fast and reliable charging to EV drivers exactly when and where they need it. Furthermore, this agreement with Tesla is part of BP's broader commitment to invest up to $1 billion in establishing a robust EV charging network across the United States. This bold move signifies a significant stride towards a more sustainable and accessible EV charging landscape, providing a brighter future for electric vehicle users nationwide. What do you think about this move by British Petroleum? Let us know in the comment area. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.